This paradiddle-diddle workout explodes into one of the nastiest fills you'll ever hear. And it's way easier than it sounds. Give me a few minutes, and this fill will be yours. As you'll know if you're a fan of this channel, paradiddle-diddles are one of the most powerful rudiments you can learn. They flow, they're fast, and when you chain them together, you get magic. This was the first workout that made paradiddle-diddles really click for me, and I'm super stoked to pass it on to you today. Let's go. The workout's simple. 2 paradiddle-diddles, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, left, into 4 singles, right, left, left. The first of every group of notes is accented. That is what makes this music. That's the skeleton. Now, let's put it through its paces. Slow, then fast, then blazing. Notice the melody that emerges as we crank up the tempo. For our learning tempo, 60 BPM, lock it in slow, clean, and relaxed before moving on. Nice, now let's take it up a notch, 140 BPM. This is where it starts to get fun. If you pulled that off, hats off, that takes serious work. Now, 180 BPM. If you could do that, you've got some seriously advanced hands. A big well done from me, and that means you're ready to take this straight to the kit as a fill. Here's where it gets fun. Like Speed Lab 3, let's drop a gear and play this in 30-second notes. We'll play the phrase twice at double the rate of speed. Goal tempo, 100 BPM. Move the accents around, orchestrate it around the kit, and suddenly it's not just a pad workout, it's become a fill that sounds insane, but is way easier than it looks. And if you want to keep this journey going, check out the full Speed Lab playlist right here. Each one builds on the last, and it's how I rebuilt my hands after 6 months off the kit. If you dug this, hit like, drop a comment, subscribe, and join the online school waitlist below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.